In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create an amazing professional website and deploy it publicly, completely for free, without spending a single coin. You can use it for your brand, your business, or even sell it and make money. I know what you're thinking. That sounds difficult, maybe impossible. But trust me, it's absolutely possible. That's why I'm here. My name is Fred, and this is AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact strategy I use from start to finish. Before we begin, take a moment to look at the website I created. You'll find the link in the description. Visit it, explore it, and see how it looks. The colors, the layout, the structure. Everything you see there is exactly what I want you to learn, so you can build your own website and even sell it for profit. And the best part? You don't need any advanced knowledge like coding, JavaScript, or web development. None of that. Just follow this video step by step. If you skip even a small part, you might miss something important. So stay with me. But before we start, if you want to learn powerful AI skills for free, skills that will help you build, create, and grow, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this. Welcome to the channel. We're going to use Google AI Studio to build our website, and then we'll deploy it using Netlify so it becomes public. Follow closely. First, go to Google AI Studio. If you need help, all the links are in the description or pinned comment. When you get there, you'll see options like Start a Chat or Code an App. Ignore those for now. Instead, look for the section labeled Model. Click it. Now, let me show you the best setup, like a pro and still completely free. When you click on Advanced Settings, you'll see Select Model for the Code Assistant. Click that and choose Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview. You might wonder why. It's because this model gives you the best results. Yes, it's a bit slower than Gemini Flash, but the quality is far better. Flash is fast, but it won't give you the level of detail you need. That's why we use Pro. Once you select it, most people make a mistake here. They type something simple like, create a website for real estate. That won't give you the results you want. Today, I'm going to show you the exact strategy I use to get a perfect website. Before writing your prompt, you need a good template for inspiration. Let me show you. I used a site called Browse Template Aura. The link is in the description. When you open it, you'll see tons of templates. Click on Templates, and you'll find many options depending on the type of website you want. Let me show you how I did it. I went to the search bar and typed real estate. Immediately, it showed me beautiful templates designed specifically for real estate websites. Choose the one you like. For example, I selected this one. When you open it, click Preview. You'll see a button that says Use for free. Don't worry, it's safe. Preview the template carefully. Look at the layout, the colors, the structure. If you like it, copy the URL of that template. Now go back to Google AI Studio and use a strong, detailed prompt. Here's the exact one I used. I need to create a complete and ready-to-publish real estate website called Home Haven Properties. The website should focus on showcasing houses for sale and rent. Use the URL below only as visual inspiration for the layout, the structure of the sections, and the overall design style. The site should look modern, clean, and professional, with a strong emphasis on high-quality property images and clear information. Include a hero section with a compelling headline, featured house listings, an about section, services offered, client testimonials, a contact section, and a polished footer. After I paste the URL, build the full website based on this description. Paste your template URL below the prompt, then click Build. It will start generating your website. It doesn't take long. When it's done, preview the website. You'll see everything: hero section, listings, about, services, testimonials, contact, footer. Beautifully generated. Click Preview, then Code, and you'll see all the files. If you want, you can save them, but for now, let's continue. Next, click Select Device Preview to see how your website looks on different devices: smartphones, tablets, laptops. As you can see, it looks great on mobile, tablet, and desktop. Now, the email and phone number on the website are just placeholders. We need to replace them with your real information. Go back to the chat and tell the model exactly what to change. For example, replace the email and phone number with mine. Send it, and it will update everything instantly. Once that's done, preview the site again. Everything should now show your real contact details. Now we move to the final step, publishing the website. This is where many people get confused, so follow carefully. If you click Publish inside Google AI Studio, it won't work because they require additional setup. Instead, go back to your website code and download the entire project as a zip file. It will save to your device. Now go to Netlify. The link is in the description. This is where we deploy the website for free. Create an account. You can sign up with Google, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. I used Google. Then they'll ask you a few questions. What is your name? How are you planning to use Netlify? Choose Personal. What kind of project do you want to build first? Choose Web App. What best describes your role? Choose whatever fits. I chose Junior Web Developer. What is the name of your team? You can write anything. Click Continue to deploy. They'll ask if you want to connect GitHub or other services. You can skip that for now. Click Skip this step for now. You'll land on your project dashboard. Click Projects. Then drag and drop the zip file you downloaded earlier. Netlify will automatically deploy your website. It only takes a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see everything marked as complete. Click the link to view your live website. It's now public. Next, click Edit Project Name and choose a clean, professional name for your website. Save it. Your site is now live on the internet. The domain will end with .netlify.app because we're using the free version. If you want a custom domain like .com or .net, click Add Domain, then Buy New Domain. Search for the domain you want. If the .com version is taken, you'll see alternatives. You can also adjust the name to find an available one. If you want me to make a full video showing how to buy a domain like .com or .net, let me know in the comments. Custom domains increase your website's professionalism and security. And that's it. You've now created a full website, deployed it publicly, and you can even sell it to clients and make money. Before we end, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Your feedback motivates me to create more videos like this. My name is Fred. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you all. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.